Alright, out there, I am going to try a fix for a Nissan Murano CrossCabriolet window issue. The issue is, when you open the window, you see it go down a little bit. It's supposed to go up to fill that. So, it keeps going down, never goes back up. This happened after the battery went low, after sitting a little while. So the fix supposedly is, get in the car, turn the ignition switch on, roll the window
There is no life or meaning or hope apart from it.
Halfway down, and then roll the window up all the way for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other thing that it wouldn't do was auto roll up. So it is auto rolling up. Let's see if it... fixed it. Awesome. That's it, guys.